Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the incredible spiritual and practical benefits of reciting Surah Al-Imran, the third chapter of the Quran. Whether you're seeking peace, protection, or a deeper connection with Allah, this surah has so much to offer. Let's explore these blessings together. Reciting Surah Al-Imran strengthens your spiritual connection with Allah. This surah reminds us of Tawheed, the oneness of Allah, and guides us to trust in His divine plan. Verses like 190 and 191 encourage us to reflect on the wonders of creation, bringing us closer to our Creator. It's a powerful shield. The last two verses of Surah Al-Imran are said to protect us from harm and negative influences. Recite them with sincerity and feel Allah's safeguarding presence in your life. Surah Al-Imran boosts your faith and patience. Through stories of prophets and the trials of early Muslims like the Battle of Uhud, this surah teaches us to stay strong and rely on Allah during tough times. It's like a roadmap for resilience. Did you know reciting Surah Al-Imran can intercede for you on the Day of Judgment? The Quran itself is a source of mercy, and regular recitation could be your key to forgiveness and salvation. This surah sparks intellectual and moral growth. It invites us to ponder Allah's signs in the universe and live with justice and compassion. Verse 134, for example, reminds us to control anger and give in charity, timeless lessons for a better life. Every letter you recite brings immense rewards. According to a hadith in Tirmidhi, each letter of the Quran earns tenfold blessings. Imagine the barakah flooding into your life with Surah Al-Imran. Reciting this surah brings peace to your heart. Verses about Allah's mercy like 135 calm your mind and ease anxiety. It's a spiritual remedy for life's stresses. Surah Al-Imran promotes unity. Verse 103 urges us to hold fast to the rope of Allah and stand together as a community. It's a beautiful reminder to build harmony and support one another. The Quran is a source of healing, and Surah Al-Imran is no exception. Recite it with faith and invite Allah's blessings and barakah into your life. It's a spiritual tonic for body and soul. Surah Al-Imran prepares you for life's challenges. Its lessons from the battles of Badr and Uhud inspire courage, trust in Allah, and strategic thinking, tools to face any storm with confidence. So, there you have it, 10 incredible benefits of reciting Surah Al-Imran. Make it a part of your daily routine and watch how it transforms your heart and life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to spread the blessings. For more insights, check with a trusted scholar or tafsir like Ibn Kathir. Assalamu alaikum and see you in the next video.